As you see in the picture, this is 90% off deal from Swiggy. Shall we see whether this deal is worth to have it? Yes or no? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. Happy, smiling. आप कैसे हो? नल्ला इरकिंगला? Yes, this deal is on in some places. You can check out. I'll share the details in the later part of the video. Okay, now let's see the unboxing video. As you see in the picture, this was the pack we have got. This is 2000 worth pack, and you've got 12 items in the pack. Okay, here comes the first item. This is 10 pieces of chicken tikka. It is chewy and has got smoky flavor, tasty. And the next item comes again with 10 pieces of chicken tikka. This is kali mirch. This is different flavor, and you will love it once you taste. And 2 different dips are provided for all kinds of tikkas. And the next item comes. This is also chicken tikka, but the specialty of this tikka is it is made from barbecue. You call it as BBQ, right? Here comes 10 pieces again. If you're a meat lover, do taste this along with the dips. You will love it. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, these are starters. You can choose 5 starters from the menu or the drop-down list. I'll show you how in the later part of the video, how I did that. It is of your choice that you can do. And here comes paneer tikka. This is red paneer tikka. The flavor is different and dips are given along with that. You can taste it. Next comes the rice bowl. This is main course. They have given masala rice with some butter chicken curry and with some onion toppings. Next comes the desserts or the sweets, what you call, after having the meal, right? Here comes charcoal lava cake. It looks super yum, right? Who likes this? Let me know in the comment section. And next comes moong dal halwa. This is 100 grams and it's worth to taste this. You can pretty well taste the moong dal flavor with some nuts going into it. Okay, next comes brownie. Who likes brownie? Let me know in the comment section, please. It's super yum. You will love it. And here comes chocolate mousse. Is it not super delicious? Of course, to look it is super delicious, and to taste it is super yum. Did anyone crack this 90% off deal from Swiggy? Let me know in the comment section. And the last item we have on menu is gulab jamun. This is how it looks. It tastes sweet. And here comes the end of all items from our menu. Okay, all these items are 2000 rupees. As the deal is on, you've got it for just 200 rupees. Is it not mind-blowing deal? I'll show you how to order. You go to Swiggy app. Given the search bar as NH1 bowls as shown in the picture, then you will get that restaurant. You've got this restaurant in many places across India. As you see in the picture, every item at the rate 149. You come down and you see here top picks. You choose any one and click on add. You see here this pops up and you can customize according to your choice. You can add starters of 5 varieties and you have desserts as well. Sweets and thanda. Here also you can add any of the 5 varieties that are given in the drop down list. As you see in the picture, I'm adding here. After you finish adding, you click on add item, then click on view cart. Now before placing the order, you see in your cart whether the coupon every item 149 is being applied or not. Here you see it has been auto applied for me in the cart. You can see here the amount to be paid is 210 rupees, and you're getting charcoal lava cake for free as a freebie, and you can click on proceed to pay and place your order on Swiggy. So how is the day? Is it not pretty good? You feel like having a bunch of them, right? At the end of the day. Okay, that's it all for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, do subscribe and encourage me. Keep smiling. Have a good day.